Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you this product I have here. I asked for some heels for women, and it says that it's women back heels for women, closet to heels, and I choose the size number 6. Okay, now when we open it, the product, it comes with this bag. Okay, it comes with this bag for saving your shoes. Okay, here it's like this. It's like a really good size, and it has here the brand, the shoe, and it says leap into style, ignite your charisma. Okay, so it's like this. It's perfect. It's like a color brown, so I like it. And then they came each shoe with this bag for like taking care from them of the dust, and inside it's like this. Okay, it comes also with this paper. Okay, I like the shoe because it has like glitter, and if you do like this, it doesn't fall down. Okay, so I think the material, it's a perfect material. It's not like really high the heel, so I think that it's also perfect. Okay guys, this is how they are looking, but I was going to tell you that I like also this part of the shoes because it has like a lot of parts where you can adjust. Okay, like I have this part of my feet like very tiny or very small, so sometimes I have some difficulties, but this one, it has a lot so that you can adjust to your feet. This is how it looks in like already try it on. Really trust me when I tell you that are very comfortable. I like that they are not too big, so I think they are perfect. And I think that this type of shoes like looks pretty well with every dress you put. Or also, like, look, I'm having some Levi's, and they also look pretty. Okay, so I think that you can put it whatever you want to use. And I choose the size number 6, and it fits me perfect. Okay, so I hope you like it. I hope that it also fits very perfect to you. Okay.